Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps on how to add multiple website URLs to your LinkedIn profile using the LinkedIn app on your PC. With the most recent update, LinkedIn has made it easier than ever to showcase not just one, but several websites that are important to you. Whether it's your personal portfolio, company website, or blog, you can now display them all directly on your profile. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once it's open, look at the very top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This will open up a drop-down menu with several settings related to your account. Next, enter Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside, head over to the section called Account Preferences. This is where LinkedIn stores all of your main profile details. Now scroll down and under Profile Information, click on the option that says Name, Location, and Industry. Inside this area, you'll see another section labeled Contact Info. Go ahead and click on Edit Contact Info. Here's where the update comes in handy. You'll notice an option that allows you to add a website. Click on Add Website, then type or paste the website URL you want to display. It could be your business site, your online shop, or even a portfolio that highlights your expertise. Once you've added the first website, you can repeat the exact same steps to add another. Just click Add Website again, input the new link, and you're good to go. LinkedIn has made it flexible, so you can include multiple links that best represent you and your work. After you've finished entering all of your websites, don't forget the most important part. Click Save. This will make sure that all of your changes are locked in and displayed to anyone who visits your profile. And that's it. By following these steps, you can now showcase multiple websites on your LinkedIn profile and make it even easier for people to connect with your work.